Our next guest trying to revolutionize the way we park our cars. Meanwhile, he wants to automate the whole system, and that would cut out parking people and eliminate fumes inside the garages. Ari Milstein is the director of planning at Automotion here at Post 9. Ari, welcome. Automotion, first of all, you're a 7-year-old company?
We are a 7-year-old company formed in 2006.
Okay, and you had the idea that basically parking there's so many efficiencies to be had if you do it the right way. Is that the idea?
Absolutely. We've partnered with a German manufacturing firm, Stopa. We have used highly precise mechanical equipment combined with high-tech software guidance systems and control systems in order to minimize the space needed for parking. To give you an idea, we double versus a traditionally and similarly sized parking garage. We double, sometimes triple the capacity of the same size space.
And how many of these garages exist already?
So we have 3 facilities in place since we were formed in 2006. We were just awarded a 700-car facility by New York City to build
Brooklyn, right?
in downtown Brooklyn. It is the centerpiece of a $2.5 billion revitalization of the downtown Brooklyn marketplace.
I think that's a rendering of it now.
Absolutely.
And what a lot of people like about this is that, while it's more efficient with regard to storage space, look, there's a park on top.
And that's the beauty. We're able to not only eliminate the pollution associated with parking, substantially limiting the environmental impact of parking and the cars on the road. We're also able to create green spaces and higher density that allows for more development to be built and for cities not only here in New York but around the country, airports, universities, hospitals, limited land space.
So what happens when it breaks down?
We have several redundant systems in place. We've parked over 300,000 cars in our 2 facilities. Those are 61 and 68 car facilities. We have backup staff and so on. But the 300,000 cars is really the proof in the pudding that our systems work very reliably and are the better way to park cars.
Can you retrofit existing privately held lots that might have space for 150 cars, let's say, or no?
It's more appropriate for new development. This has really become a product that a lot of new developers are using and putting into their buildings. As land costs go up and as space value increases, the value of our product increases. If you can limit the infrastructure needs of having a parking facility and build more offices, more apartments, more hospital rooms, more classrooms, just more use of the space, that's one of the most limited.
How much more does it cost to put the infrastructure in?
So because of the land usage,
no.
We sometimes can be a little more expensive than conventional parking. If you're going underground, we're actually cheaper in many cases. But really it comes down to how valuable the land is and how we're able to make the piece of property that people are developing more usable, more valuable, and service more people than it would typically.
Automotion, one to watch. Ari, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you guys for having me. I appreciate it.